Welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. I just wanted to give you a quick update, and again a reminder, please subscribe to my series, The Frugal Gardener's Endless Summer. We are back inside the greenhouse, and I just wanted to show you, made a couple of minor changes. I'm using these terracotta pots and plates to prop up the greens in the back. I believe that's broccoli. I'm not exactly sure, but at any rate, the lettuce needed some sun, so this way they can get some sun. Also, one other change: the potato bin is gone out of here. It was not doing well, so I'm going to try and use that again in the spring. That's over on the other side of the yard, and in its place, this is cone-cabbage. This is another cone-cabbage. This, let me see, number 3 is here, and this is number 4. All of these were started, actually it's number 5 because there's 2 over here. These were all started in my nursery downstairs, and now that they're big and strong enough, I've transferred them over to the front portion of my garden. This is the reason why I'm glad I have this extra 2 feet by 6 feet, so I can swap plants in and out. It won't be long before these carrots will go, and the onions will go, and that will leave me more room. So other than that, just a real quick look at the spinach. I may add a little more spinach here. It's kind of sparse over here, but there's spinach coming up here, and that's pretty much it. So that's your update. It's a nice day today. It's close to 70 degrees, so I have this wide open, and basically I'll keep it open until this evening, and I'll close it up. That's it for today, gang. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Until next time, this is the Frugal Gardener in the Endless Summer series.